start descent into Corton, just switch the information. And Corton information, Delta Echo Charlie Foxtrot Delta.
Delta Echo Charlie Foxtrot Delta Crotone, Equinix 1027, running use 17. Good morning.
Very good morning, QNH 1027, remain 17 in use. And in 1 minute over at Bravo Charlie Whiskey Sierra 1 Delta Echo Charlie Foxtrot Delta.
Roger, report over the point, and you confirm later it will be a touch and go?
Report over point, and I firm touch and go, and after touch and go, continue as per flight then to Reggio, Delta Echo Charlie Foxtrot Delta.
Roger, report, entering that is dead.
Roger, Wilco, Delta Echo Charlie Foxtrot Delta. Okay, runway 17 in use. Which means we'll land in this direction. And Delta Echo Charlie Foxtrot Delta, overhead Bravo Charlie Whiskey Sierra 1.
Roger. Delta Echo Charlie Foxtrot Delta Crotone Roger, no traffic reported in ATZ, report on the final runway 17.
Report final runway 17, Delta Echo Charlie Foxtrot Delta. Nice. Have the airport in sight. Alright, pre-landing checks, brakes, check, undercarriage, fixture, I will do on final. Bump, I will do it later on, landing light as well. Edges, harness just secure. I have quite some turbulence here actually. Runway heading 17. Are we passing by all those windmills? There are a lot actually. There's the airfield, the airport. Very much turbulence actually. Now we're on the circuit, runway 17. Landing light on, fuel pump on. Heading fully ready for landing. Seats, check, flaps. Texture rich, probably very and Delta Echo Charlie Foxtrot Delta, final runway 17.
Delta Echo Charlie Foxtrot Delta Crotone, no traffic reported runway 17, wind 100 degrees for knots.
Roger, Delta Echo Charlie Foxtrot Delta. Alright, so touch and go. Information, so negative traffic. And let it lose the energy. Alright. Flaps, probe lever, and power.